Hello teachers, as we are entering into Google Classroom for the first time, in this step 3 I will be explaining you how we can edit and remove the sections if we have put something by mistake, or this thing can be edited by the teachers who are added in the class also. Like if principal ma'am and activity teacher are added in the class group, every teacher can edit this part. So how we can go is, we have to go to the material in the three dots here. As we are entering into the three dots, we are getting whatever thing the teacher has written in the title, in the description, in the topic, and whatever attachments are loaded. If you think the first attachment which I have loaded is not correct and we should not share this with the teachers, we just have to cross that thing and we have to save it again, and that is removed from the thing. This thing you can do it throughout your class. Like for example, if one thing is over and you want to attach something different in the same section, you can remove that and add another thing, so that you can update your work in the same way, and this will be written here as edited. The first thing, it was not written previously, it was not written as edited, it was just a new material created. But as and then you are editing the material, the information comes here ki on what time or what date it is edited, and you have removed some work and you have done. But this is shown only to the teachers, whosoever teachers are there in the class group. And then you can refresh it. When you will refresh it, the material is totally created, and then it will be shown to the students in the class group. So this was step 3.